I like trains.
Hello everyone, I am here on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision in Sykesville, Maryland. Right down there is the Sykesville Tunnel. And right now we have an empty coal train heading westbound. I'm trying out a new spot today, by the way, in case you can't tell. The coal train is E793, and I just heard a horn from downtown Sykesville, so it's going to be here momentarily. And yeah, like I said, I'm in between the Sykesville Tunnel and Gaither Road crossing. I can hear the train approaching now, so I'm going to zoom in, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. E793 heading to Grafton, West Virginia. No surprise, all GE's in the Lasha, but it is a beautiful afternoon, so good lighting, why not take advantage? Not sure if this one has 100 cars or 200, but I want to guess 200. The next video, by the way, should be a special one, because I just got a notification of a cool train that will be going down this very line, the Old Main. Not saying anything about it, so you'll just have to find out. Train's going about 20-25 miles an hour. They don't usually go fast through here because of all the curves, and plus it's going uphill. I still don't see the end. I think the end is finally approaching. Come on, phone, why are you getting out of focus? Oh well. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and here from, well, the Old Main Line, Sykesville Tunnel, and Gaither Road, of course, being down that way. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.